Bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me